Hi guys, so I've just got a flight from Heathrow, that was pretty good. I've just walked over to the Radisson Blu at Dublin Airport. Let's go take a look. Located about 5 to 10 minutes walk from the airport, this is a really convenient stay for an overnight flight. Another convenient hotel is the Maldron, which is a short walk from here. Really, there are only 2 hotels on the site, so demand is high. The Radisson Blu has 229 rooms, and apparently the night I was staying, there are only 10 rooms left available to book. This is the hotel lobby. As you can see, it's Christmas, but even without the decoration, this is a really modern, bright and comfy space. Luckily, I have Radisson Blu Gold status, which offers upgrades based on availability, and I managed to go from a standard room to a high floor premium. I love that they even have a live departures board. Anyway, it's been a long day, time to go upstairs. I was really happy to be indoors because it was December and really cold. I paid about £120 for the night and I'm really pleased with the room. There was an espresso coffee machine, I'm glad to say, with recyclable cartridges, tea, sugar milk and 2 bottles of water. Next to this, there's a cupboard with towels, an ironing board, fun unsurprisingly, and a safe for your valuables. They really didn't do the room justice on the website. However, maybe the colours just don't look right in the daytime. Who knows, as I'm arriving in the dark, and I'm leaving in the dark. The bed looks really comfortable, and it is, until you come to sleep in it. They could probably do with a higher thread count. I've probably just been spoilt, but I am grateful for a nice place to stay. There are, however, lots of great little touches, like the side lamps above the bed, the comfy chair to stare at the bed, and the ottoman next to the TV. I love that they have an HDMI input, so you can plug in your phone or your laptop for work or leisure, and the TV was a good size. I didn't try it, but there's also a shortcut to YouTube. Furniture includes this very comfortable chair, a table with no chairs, and a large mirror with a desk. Useful. There wasn't a huge amount else to say about the room, so let's move on to the excitement of the plug sockets. That's a phone, obviously. There's a notepad, but no pen, a plug, and 2 USB sockets. Time to check out the bathroom. The bathroom is modern in comparison to the ones in the standard room. There are 2 cups for, I guess, to store your toothbrush, and a modern basin. There was a complimentary soap, a flannel, the usual shampoo, conditioner, body wash and a body lotion. I best close this, I don't want to set off the fire alarm with the steam. Quite common apparently. There's a small, and it is small, heated towel rack. Otherwise you can store your towel on the outside of the shower. There's a nice little cubby hole for storing your body wash and so on. Easy to use, shower control, and the rest doesn't really need explaining. Everyone's favourite, a ceiling height shower head. It was now time to explore the TV channels and consider making a tea. Sorry to intrude, but if you are enjoying the video and our other videos, please do subscribe, it really does help. There was plenty of tea, but does anyone spot a problem? It was a choice of Earl Grey, or you get the idea. Needless to say, in the end, I went for Earl Grey. While I wait for the tea to cool, let's have a look out the window. There's not really much of a view, but I thought I'd look anyway. I should also note that the hotel offers a complimentary shuttle to the airport every 15 minutes, but if you don't want to wait for it, it's only a 5-minute walk. I didn't use the facilities, but there are 2 restaurants downstairs. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.